Do you think you are gonna look handsome and hot only if you spend a couple of hundreds of dollars on expensive brands? Do you think women fall just for the Nike logo on your shoe? Or just for a Rolex watch you have? No, if it happens, that woman is really not for you. Just try for another woman. High quality women just don't need brands on their man. A man who has to be valued by who he is, but not just by brands he got on him. Every woman values the same. It's always not mandatory to look good by just having expensive things on you. We can make it affordable and look smart with just what we have, or just bump it a little bit by increasing the price. And do you know what? Women can be tricked psychologically in looking at us as real hot men. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you few psychological styling hacks women love in men. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Number 1. Basic hygiene really looks good. Most men are really lazy enough to even think of cutting nails. Men look evil with long nails. Having long nails is really a bad thing for a man. It's not just with nails. Things with basic hygiene goes a very long way. Maintaining manly body perfume is a basic essential for every man. His hair also needs to be properly cut in regular intervals, like once in 3 or 4 weeks. The same goes with beard as well. A man who maintains his hygiene properly is the one women get really attracted to. It's also the attitude of basic skin care and hygiene which gets women attracted to you. Number 2. Just a little bit of body exercise is more than enough. Just a little workout for your arms and your body is more. I'm not telling you to build serious body with abs and striking thighs like supermodels do. What I'm saying is to maintain proper shape. Women love men who are in good shape. If you've got abs, then it's great. It's awesome. Men who have a proper shape can fit in almost any outfit and look awesome. Number 3. Visible veins. Men who have a proper shape do have their veins popped out of their arms. When men put on full sleeve shirts on, that's what women find really hot on men. And as an add-on, if you loosen the top 2 or 3 buttons, then that's what is gonna make women go crazy. A little bit is really more. In this case, it's completely true. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, do click the subscribe button and share this video for more. With that being said, thank you for watching.